hold up to between 10 to 12 million kilograms of waste. We need it to be this big because it has a buffer function. You can imagine that we don't get that much waste in the weekends. So on Monday it's pretty low because we've been burning the whole weekend on our buffer. So now it's empty, and on Friday it will be full again, so we can burn the whole weekend from it. You can maybe see 2 cranes flying through the bunker. I believe, yeah, in number 2 it's flying now. They got 2 different jobs to do. The first one is to mix the waste. Because as Simon already told you, there's a lot of difference between the caloric, between the caloric value of the waste. Some burns very good and some doesn't burn that good. We want it to be in one homogeneous mass, so we blend it. What did they do? They pick it up in the middle, bring it outside, and they drop it. When you're here on Friday, you see like a big U-shape, that the waste is all piled up in a kind of U-shape. So they pick it up, bring it to the sides, drop it, and then it rolls over the other waste. This way we mix it. The second thing they have to do is to put it into the supply funnels that are on the back of the bunker. They pick it up, they bring it to the funnels, drop it, and they'll leave it there to dry for about 15 minutes because waste itself is a very wet substance. The next thing we do is we have a big hood above this bunker, and it sucks away the air, and that's brought into the ovens. So we can regulate the temperature of the ovens by putting a lot of waste in there, and also by varying how much air we put in there. And this also has another advantage, that it doesn't smell that much here. I think you guys think it smells a lot here, but it could be a lot worse. With these 2 variables, we can alternate how hot the incinerator has to be. We always try to keep it around 1000 degrees Celsius, but from our license, the company that gave us the license to burn the waste, we always have to be above 850 degrees Celsius. Because if we go below that, toxic gases can form inside the incinerators, which we cannot clean afterwards. So we keep it around 1000 degrees, and almost 45 minutes it stays in there. We roll it down, and it falls down in a cool water bath, and it'll pile up into the black heaps you see there, which are our ashes. But I'll tell you something about that later on. Today we don't see a lot of birds, but it used to be a real big problem. A lot of seagulls used to fly around, pick up the waste, then fly around with it, see that they couldn't eat it or cannot build a nest with it, and then drop it again. So that was not good for us. What did we do? We hired someone with a bigger bird. I think it's called a desert eagle, and he drives around in a car and lets it loose once every while, and he scares away the other birds. So that's our solution to that problem. Do you have questions about this?